All right, Kira. Nkosi gave me a very important tip or a very sound piece of advice. Because not everyone who's watching knows the values of these pieces. So we're going to go ahead and review them real quick. So can you tell me what the value of this piece is here?
All right. What happened? This piece right here is 1 milliliter. As you can see right here, they're also up here. So it'd be 1 milliliter. That's literally 1 milliliter piece. And then in a teaspoon, 5 milliliters would make up 1 teaspoon. So in this teaspoon, oh, it's the same color. Oh, in this teaspoon, it'll be 5 milliliters, which is also at the top. And the next 50 milliliters would be 3 teaspoons, and 3 teaspoons, which is 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, 3 teaspoons, would be 1 tablespoon. So it consists of 3 teaspoons, and 30 milliliters would make up a singular ounce, or 2 tablespoons, or if you want in other terms, 6 teaspoons.
Okay, awesome. Perfect. Thank
Mhm.
you for helping us out with that review. And also, all the way over here to the left, with a whopping 240 milliliters, is our cup. And inside of one cup are 8 ounces, as you can see here. All right.
Got a lot going on.
We do have a lot going on, but we're not going to get too overwhelmed by it. We're going to take it
Hmm.
one step at a time, and we'll blow through this. Okay.
All right.
Cool. So let's pull our clock back up. Our time has been reset. I have the puzzles up to my right, and we're going to get started. Okay?
All right.
All right, let's do this.
All right.
Boom.
Next.
Starting out 1 teaspoon.
All right. 1 teaspoon. Oh, drag that. One
Per
teaspoon.
plus 5 teaspoons.
That's 5 teaspoons. So we take 3 teaspoons, which is a tablespoon. And then we grab 2 more teaspoons. One, two, which forms a tablespoon. But we'll not get into that right now. Well, actually, we will. So we'll move this, and that turns into an ounce. There we go.
Excellent. Go ahead and clear that and carry in an ounce. It'll
All
look a
right.
little bit neater.
All right. Really uh, carry in our ounce. Oh, boom.
Excellent. Next up is 4 milliliters.
4 milliliters. All
Yeah,
right. 4 milliliters is just these tiny individual pieces. Oh, I'm trying to grab it.
they're a little
Yeah,
hard to click. Yeah.
hold on. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. There we go. Nope. 4. There we go.
Perfect. Plus 1 milliliter.
Plus 1 milliliter. So we'll take these out, and then we'll get a teaspoon because a teaspoon consists of 5 milliliters.
Excellent. Our answer is
Our answer is 1 ounce and 1 teaspoon.
perfect. Clear.
All right.
Starting out with 1 milliliter
1 milliliter. All right. Boom.
plus 2 tablespoons.
That's 2 tablespoons, which we can take a shortcut and drag out an ounce.
Excellent. Plus 7 milliliters.
Plus 7 milliliters. So first, that'll be a teaspoon. A teaspoon holds 5, 6, 7. We need 2 more milliliters. So it'll be 1 and then 2. Boom.
Excellent. Plus 8 milliliters.
Plus 8 milliliters. Okay, again, we'll have another teaspoon. 6, 7, 8. We need 3 more milliliters. So what we'll do is, we know 2 more will give us 5. So that'd be a teaspoon. And then 1 more would give us our 8. So then we'll clear this as well. Take that out. And then we'll drag in a tablespoon to look neater. There we go.
Excellent. And our answer is
Our answer is 1 ounce, 1 tablespoon, and 1 milliliter.
perfect. Clear.
Okay.
We are blazing through it today. 3 tablespoons.
3 tablespoons. All right. So now for drag that. That's 2 tablespoons right there. And then 1 tablespoon right there. Boom.
Perfect. Now 9 milliliters.
9 milliliters. First, we'll drag out a teaspoon because it holds 5. And for 9, we'd need 4 more milliliters. So it'd be one, two, three, up, three, and then it'd be four. Boom.
Excellent. Now, 1 milliliter.
1 milliliter. Uh, okay, so what we'll do is duplicate this teaspoon right here and take out these individual milliliters.
Excellent. And lastly, 6 milliliters.
6 milliliters. All right, hold on, let me fix that. 6 milliliters. We need to add another teaspoon because it holds 5 milliliters. Why does it not want to do its thing? Boom. And then to get six, we need an individual milliliter.
Excellent. Answer is
Hold on. Answer is 2 ounces, 3 teaspoons. Oh, wait, 3 ounce. No, wait, 3 ounces. My bad. Not 3 ounces. What? 2 ounces and 1 milliliter. There
go
we
ahead
go.
and get
My
them
bad.
reorganized so that they're easier to see.
All right, let me try to get in there. All right, clear this one. Turn that into a tablespoon. Boom. And then drag a milliliter in there. And boom, that's what that would look like. Okay,
Um,
2 ounces.
perfect.
There we go. Why
Perfect.
doesn't it do its duplication thing? Come on. There we go.
All right. Go ahead and clear.
All right.
Next up is 8 milliliters.
8 milliliters. All right. Let's see. 8 milliliters. First, we'll drag out five. Oh, come on. Let me do. Come on. There's 6, 7, 8. We need three more. So one, two, and then three. Boom. Oh, three. There we go.
Excellent. Plus 2 milliliters.
Plus 2 milliliters. So we'll clear this, and that will be a teaspoon.
Excellent. Plus 7 milliliters.
Plus 7 milliliters. So that'd be another teaspoon. So that give us, oop, so that would give us, ooh, 5 more milliliters. So we need two more for seven. My bad. I didn't went brain dead for a second. There we go.
Excellent. Plus 3 teaspoons.
All right. Plus 3 teaspoons. So it would be a tablespoon. Oh, hold on. I need to grab it. Oh, I see what I did. Boom. No, come on. Boom. There we go.
Excellent. Answer is
Answer is 1 ounce and 2 milliliters.
perfect. Clear.